This new plan, the president's latest effort to cut the number of immigrants coming to the U.S. It would prioritize English speakers as well as those with higher level job skills, marking what would be the biggest changes to this country's legal immigration system in decades. But this remains a long shot, with some members of the president's own party already saying it is a non-starter.
President Trump declaring America's immigration system broken.
It has not been fair to our people, to our citizens, to our workers.
Now embracing a new hardline proposal sponsored by two conservative Republican senators that would slash legal immigration by 50% in 10 years, moving the U.S. to a system based on merit.
This competitive application process will favor applicants who can speak English, financially support themselves and their families, and demonstrate skills that will contribute to our economy.
The president's senior policy advisor, Stephen Miller, arguing the idea puts American families first.
Public support is so immense on this.
And clashing with reporters.
This whole notion of, well, they could learn, they have to learn English before they get to the United States. Are we just going to bring in people from Great Britain and Australia?
Jim, it's actually, I have to honestly say, I am shocked at your statement that you think that only people from Great Britain and Australia would know English. It's actually, it reveals your cosmopolitan bias to a shocking degree.
Like you're trying to engineer the racial and ethnic flow of people into this country.
Jim, that is one of the most outrageous, insulting, ignorant, and foolish things you've ever said.
The Statue of Liberty says, give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses, yearning to breathe free. It doesn't say anything about speaking English or being able to be a computer programmer.
The Statue of Liberty is a symbol of liberty enlightening the world. It's a poem that you're referring to that was added later. It's not actually part of the original Statue of Liberty.
But the proposal faces an uphill climb in Congress, with some lawmakers criticizing its potential impact on the agriculture and tourism industries.
They're changing the topic from Russia. This immigration proposal is not going to go anywhere because it really would devastate the economy.
Meanwhile, the White House is dialing back the president's claims he received a pair of complimentary phone calls.
Even the president of Mexico called me.
The first, he said, from Enrique Peña Nieto, praising a decline in border crossings. But Mexican officials say there was no such call. And after that campaign-style rally before the Boy Scouts, the president said the head of the group hailed his performance as the greatest speech that was ever made to them. But the Boy Scouts say didn't happen. The White House with this acknowledgement.
They were direct conversations, not actual phone calls.
So
He
lied. He didn't receive.
I wouldn't say it was a lie. That's a pretty bold accusation. It's the conversations took place. They just simply didn't take place over a phone call. That he had them in person.
Also this morning, NBC News has confirmed another phone call, this one from the new White House Chief of Staff John Kelly to Attorney General Jeff Sessions. Despite the president's tweets, Kelly called the AG on Saturday to reassure him that his job is not in jeopardy. And Kelly's also cracking down on the information that gets into the president's hands. Politico reporting the Chief of Staff will not accept aides simply walking into the Oval Office anymore, and anyone briefing Mr. Trump needs to show him the information first. Matt and Hoda.
All right, Peter Alexander at the White House. Peter, thank you.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.